Hi everyone, so I have a haul to share with you. I went to Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and Joann's. So Michael's I went to today, and they were doing a sale price on these. These are the Art Alchemy Metallic Waxes by Prima, and I think they were, let's see, I believe they were 40% off, and then they were doing an additional 25% off discount. So the three colors I got were rose gold, mystic turquoise, and aged brass. So I'm really excited to try these. And they have a little plastic thingy in here. So really pretty. I think they're all supposed to have kind of a vintage look, and if these are anything like Inca Gold, they should last a while. A little goes a long way, right? So I know how to get in there a little quicker. So that was the aged brass I showed you. Now this is the mystic turquoise. So that's cool. It looks like it has some kind of bronze in it a little bit mixed in there. That should be really cool. And last is the rose gold. Don't want to lose any of the product here. Oh, that's really pretty. Hope that shows up nicely on camera. So it definitely has some metallic in it, but I like the colors. These seem like they would be really versatile. They had a few other ones too. I almost got the copper one, but I have a copper color and a couple of other wax products, so maybe I'll still end up getting it though, because it was really a fiery copper. So next up, these were from Joann's. Here comes my kitty making an appearance. Now these are by Park Lane Papery, and I got these 3 strip embossing folders. They all have a damask pattern, and I believe this is a newer line that they are carrying in Joann's, or at least new to me. I thought those were really pretty. And then I also got one of their embossing folders. This is 4 1/4 inches by 5 3/4, and Maisie is trying to demonstrate the product here. Mace, come here, baby. Okay. This is also kind of a damask pattern, and it's called Swirl. And then also by Park Lane, I got these 50 sheets of floral designs. Let me see if this one's got its name. It's called Roses. So you get quite a bit in there. It's 10 of each design. So you can see there, whoops, the 5 different designs right here. I just love these. I think they'll be, I'll be able to coffee dye some of them. Yeah, I think these will be versatile, and since I've been doing a lot of Alice in Wonderland junk journaling lately, I think that this would fit in really nicely with those. So last but not least, and in fact, the most exciting thing I got was at Hobby Lobby, and I didn't know they had it in the store. Thought I was gonna need to order this online. It is the Tim Holtz stamp platform. So I'm super excited to have this. I was going to just go ahead and get it on Amazon, which at least at the time that I'm filming right now, they have a pretty good deal on because the retail price, I believe, is $39.99, and I believe it was around $24 on Amazon last I checked, which was just within the last couple of days. So here it is, very well packaged. Oh my goodness. This is really exciting, you guys. I had seen people demoing this on YouTube, and it just looked like a really good product. And if you're like me and your stamps often come out wonky, then I think this is going to be the solution. And looks like it comes with a manual. Let me set this down. So, okay, so it's also showing some of the new products, like the glass media matte, and there's a travel version of the travel stamp platform, and then they have a couple of sleeves that you can buy for these to travel with, some paper cutters. So I guess this doesn't really tell you too much about the stamp platform itself, but I guess I'll go online to look up more about using this. If you haven't seen any tutorials of this, so there's a clear side for your clear stamps, and there's a rubber side, and you switch these out. You just pop this out and flip it depending on what type of stamp you're using. So it feels really solid and well made. So I am super stoked to have this, and that's about it for my haul today. I hope you guys have an awesome Memorial Day if you're here in the States, and I will talk to you real soon. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.